Do you guys know why white people are so quiet about the issue of illegal immigration in South Africa? In a short video, I'm going to tell you why. And this explanation is going to also include why the celebrities of this country also are quiet about such issues, and particularly the middle class of South Africa. The major reason why white people are silent about the issue of illegal immigration, it is because for the first time since apartheid times, there is a new pipeline of a labor force they are able to exploit. Because one of the pillars of the apartheid system, it was to create a labor force that could be manipulated, that could be exploited. So these foreign nationals come here and they take the disrespect and the exploitation from white people. And they don't realize that black people have fought for decades to create laws and systems to protect people from exploitation. It is not because these illegal immigrants or foreign nationals are people that know how to work harder than South Africans. It's a fucking lie. Because if South Africans were such a lazy people, this country would not be functioning. It's all a fallacy. So this is where the celebrities come in. The celebrities and the black middle class of this country, they are doing exactly what the white people are doing. Because a lot of them, they are in proximity to whiteness and they are seeing the same things that white people are doing, and they are also exploiting the same Africans. And they will say, no, it is better for us to have these workers, to have Abo Mavis, Nabo James to come work for us. No. The primary reason is because when they exploit Mavis cannot go and report them and create a lawsuit against them. They are all liars. They are colluding with the white minority also. And a lot of them, they are cowards, particularly the celebrities, because they know when they speak out, they're going to touch the system that they are benefiting on. Because all of them, they see the very same human rights crimes happening. And some of them, they are participating in it. If all of them had to tell you how much their maids that are working for them and the garden boys that are working for them, how much they're paying them, you'll understand how many human rights violations they are doing. So white people are silent specifically for those reasons, same as the black middle class of this country. They are benefiting from a labor force that they are able to exploit. It is very difficult for anyone to exploit a South African because the system protects you from exploitation. So when they create statements and videos like Boso Mizi, when they are busy saying, oh, no, what is going to happen when these people go, it's all a fucking lie. They know that they're able to negotiate the rent with these people. You cannot negotiate a rent with South Africans because South Africans have standards, have protocols, they have rights that they've fought for decades. So that the things that were happening during apartheid must not happen again. So the foreign nationals, whatever was happening to black people during apartheid is happening to them. And then it is disguised as if like they are hardworking people. It's a lie. It's a fucking lie. So a lot of them, they're benefiting from the very system. So white people will not say anything because they have slaves again. They had slaves during apartheid, now they have slaves again.